What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be going out to Tijuana, Mexico to pick up some carbon fiber parts for the 3000 GT. It is currently not here. I'm out here with Marissa. The DSM is here. These are some Carbonetics side skirt extensions that I had previously gotten from Sergio. It's a 2 to 3 hour trip depending on traffic. Let's start heading out there. We're gonna go get something to eat, meet up with Sergio, get the parts, come back, install them, and then see how it looks. Today's actually Marissa's first time going to Mexico.
I'm so excited to get kidnapped.
Which is crazy considering the fact that she's actually Mexican and she's never gone. Why haven't you ever gone?
I've never gone because my mom literally said I'm gonna get kidnapped.
I'm there all the time and...
You're a boy.
My sister goes with me sometish and she doesn't get kidnapped.
Yeah, but she doesn't look as white as me.
She looks pretty white. Me and my sister look
I know
really alike.
complexion-wise, but she speaks Spanish.
Can you even speak English?
Yeah, I'm so excited for the food.
Yeah, the food, honestly, Mexico when it comes to food is A1. We out here doing a little legal things. Oh, she's...
Oh yeah, you try to record. Oh, sí, güey. Ándale, güey.
She's Mexican all of a sudden. Can you hurry up, please? Hey, show me your mask. Show me your mask. I think it's pretty sick. What kind of drink is this?
It is a cinnamon toast coffee frappe.
So much sugar. Look at that.
So I've been bugging Miguel for a puppy.
A long time.
A long time. I've been sending him links. I've been sending him photos, sending him all this, and he's just like, let's go to Mexico and pick one up for like $200. I'm fine with it. I'm not discriminating, but you get what you pay for, and I don't want a twinkle dog.
My pug was from Mexico. She's great. I love pugs. I love pugs.
We can't decide on a name. I'll show you a photo.
Well, tell them what it is first of all. Like
yes,
breed.
it's a Dachshund.
It's a weenie dog.
It's
basically.
a weenie dog. This is our little puppy. I wanted to name him Rolo because he is like dark brown and like light brown, and literally the candy Rolo is literally what it looks like. We kind of also chose to go with Sparko or Turbo, so we're still deciding.
So
what do you guys think we should name him? We have many options.
So it's Mitsu, Turbo, Recaro, Sparko, Rolo. What do you think of Mexico so far?
I'm scared.
You're scared? Why?
I don't belong here.
What'd you get?
Oh, sorry. You want to record it first?
Yeah, it looks good. Those tacos are really good. What do you think of the food here, first of all?
I just said how good they were. They were
really?
literally way better than
anything in the US, huh?
Yeah,
Facts,
like legit,
facts.
like the first taco I had out here, and it's like, tacos are not the same anymore.
A1. And also drivers out here are pretty crazy, so you have to
Terrible.
be really
There's
careful.
no lines on the floor, man.
No, you just drive at your own will.
You figure it out.
Look at this thing. Damn. Beautiful. Made in Mexico.
Made in Mexico.
I took one of the side skirt extensions out so you could kind of see what it looks like.
Hey, what's up, guys? Remember to follow us on Carbonetics. The source for the best, fastest, and quickest cars in the world.
Say what?
Seaway.
Seaway. She's fully Mexican now. We do have the front lip, side skirt extensions, and rear spats in the car. I'm actually pretty hyped. I showed you guys a little bit of the quality. Again, if you guys want to check out Carbonetics, they do have an Instagram page. I've known them for years. Okay, currently the next morning, I already went ahead and pulled all the pieces out. I do want to show you guys kind of what it looks like. So these are the rear spats. These basically go on the rear bumper here, as you can see. I really think they should do these for DSMs as well because it really complements the rear end. Of course, we have the side skirt extensions here, which I feel like really bring out the sides a lot more. And we have the 99 front lip here, which I'm really gonna be scared to drive this thing once it's lowered because these lips are super fragile, but I'm really excited. Even though it is stock height, it should really make the car look a little bit lower. And I'm also going to be installing some new twin turbo stickers, OEM, from the dealer. think? Comment down below how much more aggressive, and I don't know, it just looks modified now. It's crazy. It's starting to look a little bit like the DSM, especially with the lip kits. Painting this thing. You guys can honestly roast me. I did not do the best job as far as painting it. The lip is on. I went ahead and added the screws and nuts. It's always best to get things painted professionally, but again, this is just a temporary. So I'm not even gonna record me putting the bumper on. I'll just do it real quick. I am liking the change so far though. I do want to get some cinematics of the full lip kit and I guess the stickers as well. So I came out to this super low-key and kind of sketch spot like at 6 in the morning. It's still kind of foggy, but I wanted to give the cinematic video a little bit of a sinister theme. This thing looks ridiculously aggressive in black. We did install the twin turbo stickers. These are OEM. We got the side skirt extensions, the carbon fiber rear spats, and of course the carbon fiber front lip, which I'm actually extremely scared to break, especially once we lower the car. It actually makes the car look a little bit lower. I can only imagine once we lower this thing down to basically where it's flush. Even though it does look good already, this kind of already gives you a foundation of the vision of the car. Picture it a little bit lower with a front mount, different color, different interior, fat exhaust, turbo noises everywhere, E85. I don't know, it's coming together pretty well so far. I'm actually pretty proud of myself for keeping the consistency going with this car and the channel. As you guys know, I do post minimum of once a week ever since I started YouTube around 3 years ago. So I'm also going to be dropping some VR4 or Mitsubishi merchandise soon for those of you guys that keep asking me. Now that the car is actually one color, I could start getting some designs made. Basically for this version at least, And I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a discount code because tomorrow is actually Cyber Monday. This is only for you guys watching the video. I'm not gonna post this on Instagram. I will be having a Black Friday sale, which will basically be a little bit before this video, but at least for you guys on YouTube, you'll get 25% off anything in the store. I'll go ahead and give you guys that. I honestly wanna get rid of inventory because I wanna get new designs, new merchandise in. The secret code will be VR4. That's gonna be the discount code for you guys that wanna check out the site. I do have stickers, hoodies, shirts, posters, hats, but I will be dropping a lot more stuff coming soon. I'm actually pretty hyped because I do want to focus more on it. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe if you haven't just yet, which you should if you like Mitsubishis. And I'll see you on the next one.